I'm Jade Holland Cooper and we're getting ready for the Rivals premiere with Holland Cooper, and we've created something absolutely beautiful to wear and I'm really excited to show you. Trench coat's arrived. The design has come to fruition and here she is. We're just getting her on the mannequin. I'm just doing the final measurement selection, but everything is as we thought it should, but it looks absolutely beautiful. And it was kind of a last minute creation, but I think it looks gorgeous. So we're gonna get her off the mannequin in a minute and get her straight into a garment bag so we can get her on the train. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna travel her, but get her to London looking gorgeous and get her onto the red carpet. Bringing things together like this is so exciting. Just doing something completely different, to be honest. Been rushing around, so we're doing autumn winter 26 walkthrough. So it's a bit chaotic today, but it's okay. It'll all be all right on the night, as they say. So we are in the car on the way to the station. It's a long day today and I'm eating, every day I have the same food, bolognese, which I eat every day at the same time. So I'm eating that on the way and aiming not to spill that all over myself. It's not all glitz and glamour, guys. This is the reality where we're at, but needs must. I have to eat. If I don't eat, I just fizzle out. So when people are saying, what is your diet, what do you eat? This is what I eat every day. Spaghetti bolognese. Just made it to the station, everything in here, and we're just going to jump on the train now. Timings are really tight today because I just couldn't move our autumn winter walk through, so it meant that we crammed everything in. So I'm going to get to the hotel just in time, whiz into hair and makeup, get this on and head off to the premiere. But it's just been one of those days where it's been crazy and we're trying to do 100 things. We're all loading up things to be doing on the train. So yeah, watch this space. So we're off the train stopped. We're trying to catch another train. I think we're already late, so I might be getting changed in the filling station loo, but let's hope not. And we're all trying to do 50,000 jobs at the train station with limited to no signal. Why is there no signal? Stressful. Late, we're running. We've got some suit carriers, yeah. Don't leave the suit on the train. Lovely cabbies, that's why I use black cabs, they're just so nice. Rescued us from the rain. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, lady.
It's like you were ready and waiting for us.
Knight in shining armour, oh my gosh, we needed that.
I'll let you drive Claire, I've got it all over you.
Oh, goodness me. Right, so suit. The coat. It's done quite well to pack in here actually. Who would know the 40-foot train coming out the bottom?
What are we going for dinner, night out, or what are we doing?
We're going to a film, the Rivals premiere.
Oh, right,
Looking like it's going to be in the rain now. Nice if it wasn't raining. So I'm imagining the tweed just stuck to a wet carpet.
Yeah.
I was envisaging like golden hour, not driving rain. Worst case, we've got our Holland Cooper umbrella, the giant one. And we've just launched Mary Berry. Berry and Bloom has gone live. Our gardening range has gone live, which is so exciting. And it's on coming soon, so you can sign up to buy it. Jackson is lovely. Such a beautiful hotel. The team are already in the room, so they're going to transform me into something that looks glorious, thank God.
Save
Yeah,
that
okay,
for-
save that.
Do it the night before you've got an event.
Okay.
Glass skin.
Okay. Transformation again. Thank God. Thank God. And there's Wi-Fi. Oh my God. On the train, there's just no signal at all. Brilliant. We can all work on the train. Oh no, we can't do anything because there's no signal at all.
Yeah, even
And
the
we're all trying
Wi-Fi
to
on
launch,
there.
like we've got Mary
Oh,
Berry
no.
launching and 50 things launching. It's just.
TV.
That is one thing I do every week. So a face shot every
Yeah,
week. And it's. I just think that's.
That's the secret.
Yeah, it's the secret. And no sun on your face.
Yeah, that's true. More ready than I was an hour ago. The sun, it's looking like it might make an appearance, which makes me feel a bit better. I'm just thinking how I'm going to get in and out of this car with this enormous train at the moment, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. And how I'm going to get the train on the red carpet. Should I check coverage? Any more coverage?
Oh, that was gorgeous.
The skin that's under. I'm going to go over your eyebrows and stuff, but yeah, coverage on the skin, you happy?
Coverage is good. Yeah, that looks fantastic. Thank you. It's alright, Danny. Thank goodness I have these girls. Oh. It would be a different story otherwise. You might think, what am I doing? I'm currently going through all of our Autumn Winter 27 products and getting references for how we should be doing the flat lays and the texture flat lays. So there's only 728 products to go. Is coming here and we're going to go together. I've been friends with Jodie. We've been friends together for many years and she was actually in our Icons campaign last year, so it's going to be a real treat to go with her. She's such a powerhouse, she's wonderful. So we'll have a good natter in the car on the way. Oh my gosh, have I not brought it now? Yeah, it's here. Sana on double wear, not Sana on, Estee Lauder double wear, and it literally is double wear. It doesn't move on your lower lashes. I always find otherwise I get a drop down and it just looks, this is the only one I've found that doesn't do that.
Yeah.
But you have to really get in there to get it off.
Look all the way down.
This is the story of today. Champagne in a straw. In the car now. We're just about to go and pick up Jodie. We've made it. The train has survived and we're heading to the premiere. We achieved it. We got oh, look, polos. That's very Rivals, isn't it? Takes me back to like pony club days. I'm gonna have a polo. I'm gonna bring polos with me. That feels quite authentic, doesn't it? And the weather is okay for now. I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. It looks exactly very British red carpet. I feel like Jilly Cooper would be proud of this. She loves or loved the countryside and tweed, so we're bringing it en masse to London. Tooth. Can I tell you something, Mousy? Listen to Mama. Mummy's made a really long trench gown, and I'm going to send you a video of it so you can see it. It's like a princess gown. Yeah. So we're almost there, we're just pulling up now. The rain is falling really heavily. Can't see any blue sky at all. So that's that. At least I'm wearing tweed. Transport today. I just think transport today has been really difficult, but we're still going to make it just on time. Right, we've arrived now. All the transport thoughts have gone out the window. We made it through. Oh, yay. Back in the car. Chinese takeaway is what we're eating. Lovely. On popular request. And it was such a great evening. Caught up with so many fabulous people, and Stanley Tucci shook my hand and said he loved my outfit, which was a big highlight. And loads of compliments on my outfit, which was lovely. I felt really good in it, and it was perfect for that moment. It was lovely to wear tweed on the red carpet. I always like challenging the idea that tweed isn't just for the countryside, and you absolutely can glamorise it if it's cut the right way, and I think we showcased that today. So what a lovely way to end a Wednesday. So I'm going to finish my Chinese, I'm going to do a little bit more work in the car, and then into bed, ready for a busy day tomorrow.